Titan, remember viewers, is up by 4% and it's trading at all-time high levels. And yes, this is all also to do with the kind of gold prices and the kind of sentiment is around the jewelry space as well. But let's look at the business performance that the company has highlighted. A 40% year-on-year growth in consumer business. Domestic growth 38% year-on-year. International growth 79% year-on-year. 56 new net stores that have been added in Q3 and the total store count now stands at 3,433. Let's talk about the jewelry space. That's been the clear star performer for the business updates that Titan has clearly talked about. A revenue uptick of 41% year-on-year. Higher gold prices have lifted the average selling price there for Titan. The buyer growth is largely flat, but value-led growth is clearly being seen at this point. Gold coin sales have nearly doubled, is what the company's mentioned. Plain gold jewelry is also up high, about 30% odd range. One is also seeing studded jewelry growing about mid-20s. Like-to-like growth is in still low 30% range. 47 net jewelry stores that have been added in India. That's again something that you should watch out for. Remember, Titan also has watches and eyewear division as well. So let's focus on that too. For the watches, the premium is definitely driving the growth there. Overall watches growth stands at 13% year-on-year. Analog watches up by 17% year-on-year. Sonata Fast Track have shown strong volume growth there. Smartwatches sales, however, has slipped lower by about 26% year-on-year. 22 net watch stores have been added in Q3. For EyeCare, there is a steady momentum that one can see. The business up by about 16%. Strong demand for sunglasses and lenses. E-commerce definitely is supporting the omni-channel push. There are 11 stores that have been added here, 20 renovated, 30 closed. So 2 new runway premium stores that have been opened as well. So let's take an overview on Titan first now from you. Looking at all these business updates and of course the record high prices, what do you think is in the offing?
I think these numbers are already discounted in the price action. The way how the stock has reacted from last at least 10-15 days, the stock is up by almost 3,800 to 4,200 plus. So I think the expected performance was in line with the street expectations. But again, the way how the 85% of the segment growth, which is on the jewelry segment, has done well. So I think it is more or supported by the gold prices and as well as the higher gold prices turnover. So, but again, margins are slightly on the positive side. Plus, I think the same store growth is also very strong, and they have added a lot of more stores in this month, that is the month of December. So I think that is creating a lot of buzz, positive sentiments. That is creating the all-time high, penciling the prices on the charts. But again, I may not be a fresh buyer at this point of time. I think traders or investors try to book profit at this point of time.
Okay, got that. Let me also ask you, within the various verticals, which is the vertical that you are betting big on when it comes to Titan, and how do you see the projections going forward as well?
I think the jewelry segment should do well. I think the way how the marriage seasons will be very much active in the month of Jan and February. So that will create a lot of buzz in terms of the volume growth in the jewelry segment. That is one segment. But again, which is getting some kind of pressure would be the eyewear segment, where continuously the growth is not being seen from last many quarters. So that will be one segment where I will be keeping and watching. And if there is some kind of growth seen in the eyewear, there will be some kind of extra premium being garnered by Titan going forward. So for me, jeweler would be the main thing which will drive the company's business model. But again, EyeCare can be a crown in the head of the Titan.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.